If you've ever wanted to create a smooth bell curve directly inside PowerPoint without needing Excel or external tools, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method that looks professional and only takes a few minutes to master. First, open your PowerPoint slide and head over to the View tab. From here, enable both grid lines and guides. These will act as your visual reference so the curve looks symmetrical and clean. Next, go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. Under the Lines section, select the Freeform Line tool. This tool lets you create a custom curve by clicking and dragging points across your slide. Click once to start, then drag your mouse upward and across, forming the rounded top of the bell shape. Continue dragging downward on the other side, and finish by connecting the line at the base. Don't worry if it looks a little rough at first. The grid lines make it easier to adjust. Once the outline is in place, select the curve and open the Shape Format tab. From here, go to Shape Outline. You can change the color, increase the line weight, or even apply a smoother style to refine the curve. A slightly thicker line often makes the shape look more polished. When you're satisfied, go back to the View tab and uncheck the grid lines and guides. This will leave you with a clean, professional bell curve that you can use in your presentations, whether for data visualization, teaching, or design. And that's it. You've just drawn a bell curve in PowerPoint with no extra tools needed. If you found this guide helpful, keep exploring more ways to make your slides stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.